Good evening everybody. Today I am taking class in Java. How to use switch statement. Okay. My name is Ron. I am a computer faculty at Maker Park Computer Center, Tumkur. Okay. Now first what I will do, I will go to Eclipse. Now I will remove this old directory. Okay, remove it. Now if you want to create one new directory, go to File, New. Then it says Java project. Okay. Now give some name. Actually, what is the meaning of project? Project means it is a package. Project means package. Default one package will be created. In that, I'll go to source. I'll go to class. Okay, package is a collection of classes. Now I'll give some name. Okay. Then it says finish. Now you have to do a write the coding. Now here will say public static void main. There will say string arguments. Okay. String arguments. And open the bracket. Okay. Here what I will do. Now before that I declare on this one scanner class. I'll say import. There will say java.util.scanner. Okay. Now util is a sub package. Java is a main package. Scanner is a class. Okay. Now here what I will do. Now okay, I'll say if you want to declare a variable. Okay. Suppose I want to declare I'll say double. Okay, suppose I'll say double some variable. Suppose I'll say k, double k. Okay, double k. Then here what I'll do in that now here I'll say that is what is the class name? Here you say scanner. Okay, class name object name is equal to new class. New, there is a class name. Okay, there is a system.in. Okay, then what I will do? Okay, system.in. Okay, now here okay, now let's last. Now suppose you say system.out.in. it will enter a value. Okay, now then again what I will do here, enter a value. Okay, enter. Okay, now again next one what I will do here, I will say suppose if you want to read a value, I will say that is what is the variable name k. No? Okay, I will say k is equal to, okay, here you say what is the object name y. Okay, you say y dot, here you say next is a double. The method is double because you are calling the variable and we are calling the data type as double. For that you have to use this called next double. Okay, then what you do, now if you want to okay, after this what I will do next is you go for switch statement. That variable you pass to the switch statement k. Okay, that variable you pass. Then what you do here open the bracket. Here you say case, different cases. I say case 1 will say, again I say system.out.println. Okay, I say as Sunday, again semicolon. Then you say break. Okay, you say break. Like that he has how many days are there? 7 days. For that he had 7 cases. Okay, Control C, again Control V. That 7 cases had. Okay. 7 cases we had. Now we say case 2. Case 2 is what? Monday. Case 2 is, here you say that is Monday. And case 3 is what? Case 3 is Tuesday. Here you say Tuesday. And case 4 is what? Case 4 is Wednesday. Yes sir, Wednesday. And case 5 is what? Case 5 is Thursday. Here you say Thursday. And case 6 is what? Case 6 is Saturday. Case 6 is, you say Saturday. Okay. Click on Friday. Then you click on Saturday. Totally there are 7 days remaining. Okay, 7, case 7 you say Saturday. Here you say Saturday. Okay. Then at last what you say? Defaults. See, default is for printing the false statement. Default is a keyword. default. Then again it's a system dot out dot println. It's a not a day of the week, not a day of the week. Then semicolon. Okay, system SYS. Then close the bracket. Okay. Now this is for entering the day of the week and checking in the list. Always which is followed by variable name, case name followed by label name, statement break, case label name, statement break, and the last concluding we are concluding the default statement, substituting the false statement. Okay, or error statement. Okay. Now one is for one package for class, one plus one main function, one is for switch. Now 3 brackets you have to close it, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now here what you have to do, I'll go to run, then you go to run as Java application. Okay, now what is the variable name? Switch K. Switch K. Okay. Okay, so is not next double. Suppose if you say, suppose I don't want to take if you say integer. So integer. For integer, I'll say next integer. The actual thing is same. K is equal to, okay, for here I will give int, not integer, let's say int here. Okay. K. We go to run as the application. Just give space here, otherwise it gives space. Okay, then default. Run as the application. It is asking enter a value. Suppose if I say value as 3. It will go to Tuesday. 3 means Tuesday. Here the days of the weeks are the number. 1 is Sunday, 2 is Monday, and 3 is Tuesday. Now again if once again if I run, okay. Now suppose again if I like that. Now suppose if I remove it, and again if I go to run as Java application. Suppose if I enter 11, you show what? Not a day of the week. Like that. See, this is for entering the day of the week in the terms of numbers, in terms of either you can enter in terms of numbers or you can enter in terms of words. Okay. Now how many cases are there? That number of cases you have to select. Okay. This is for how to print the days of the week using switch statement. And always either you can use scanner class or you can use input streamer class. In the next class I will show you how to use input streamer class. Okay, thank you.